Hello, our lovely learners. Welcome back to FANTE on Apple's Multimedia. We've made available part 1 video lesson of parts of human body names in FANTE. I bring you part 2 of parts of human body names in FANTE. My name is Obed Isuman Abakan. Please stay with me. I will be right back with this lesson.
Inkano, namugwinda mreka fantama. Missy Essiden. Na Apple's Multimedia but show me there. Onye Essiden. Oye Essiden. Says Yarazi, Mutumu Kamfansin kakra. Osa na Apple's Multimedia. Mfansika sisyaninsi.
Thank you for staying. Let's get started. A palm. Insamu. An occiput. Etiko. Calf. Anentu. An ankle. Nanje. Armpit. Ambotuomu. Knee. Kotoje. Navel. Infuma. Thigh. Asre. Waist. Sisu or asan. Wrist. Nsakwan or abakwan.
Hand. Nsa. Finger. Nsatiaba. Toe. Nansoba. Jaw. Adada. Finger or toenail. Awirel. Foot. Nansa.
This is how we end today's video lesson. Let's know your thoughts about our lessons in the comment section. I will come your way again. The name is Obed Isuman Abakan. See you. Bye bye.